Ghosting isn't rude. It's just a verdict on your pitch. That's what we're talking about in today's episode 1057 of the Daily Sales Message podcast. We've all been ghosted. We've been talking to somebody. They might have even given us some hope. Oh, this is interesting. This will sound good. And then they disappear. Sometimes I call it the conversion death loop, where you're talking to somebody, get your hopes up. Maybe you've even spent the money you think you're going to make from them. And then they just fall off the edge of the world and you never hear back from them ever again. And they don't respond to anything. It's like you've done something wrong. Generally, when somebody goes in that way and they don't come back to you, like, behavior is a form of communication. They're telling you through their actions they don't want to proceed with you. Either they're too polite to tell you that in so many words, or they just can't be bothered. Or, this is more relevant, I think, for most people, they don't want to re-engage with you because if you say, look, we don't want to buy and here's why, there's so many salespeople out there go, well, hold on a second, have you thought about blah, blah, blah? And they turn objections into this kind of challenge to be overcome rather than just respecting the wishes of the buyer. So my kind of thoughts on this, why people ghost and then that's it, the door is shut, is because they've made up their mind and they don't want you to start weaseling your way back in. They just want you to respect their wishes and move on. I have a great mantra in my business I share with my clients and students, which goes, don't chase them, replace them. So you need to put more effort into finding more new potential clients than just chasing around people that are giving you false hope and disappearing and blah, 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 etc. It's much more exciting if you're dealing with 20 or 50 people, you've got loads of conversations open, than just 2, because if both those people ghost you, you've got a problem. But if even 20 of the 50 people ghost you, you're still sitting pretty. So don't chase them, replace them is my way of overcoming this issue. But ghosting, behavior is a form of communication. So if somebody's ghosted you, they're pretty much telling you, we don't want to buy from you. And worse than that, we're kind of suspicious that you might try and convince us otherwise. So we just want to be left alone now and we just want you to respect our decision.